Hello YouTube, this is VW Matthew. I'm tearing down this 40 horse that was running. 009 distributor on there. Fuel pump has to be rebuilt. I'm glad I'm tearing it down because it's been sitting out in the woods so long. It's got all kinds of acorns and stuff in it. Critters and all. Wow. Been sitting a while, but it crunk up and run, which I was very happy about. Starting to tear it down now. I gotta clean it out. There's a lot going on. I gotta check inside, make sure all the stuff is right. But you can see this thing here. Yeah, it's got some good compression, so I just gotta make sure everything's all right on it. Just the valves and all later on. But yeah, all I did was slap some spark plugs in it and got it freed up because it's been sitting so long. Put it on my homemade starting stand out of an old transmission I put up on a stand made out of bed rails. Got little shocks from those are oil seals for your oil coolers, ones I didn't use right there. So yeah, but I'm taking all the parts off that I can. Got them oiled up so I can get all these screws out. Start tearing it apart, cleaning it up. Some of this is just non-savable. It's rotten. It is just toasted on most of this. This whole back plate's gone. It's not even the right one, I don't think. But yeah, that's what I'm doing to it. I wanted to give you a little update on it. I'll show you a video and a half later on. But yeah, I got a new tube, gas tube port and everything. Maybe I can get another 10 off another one over here. That's the 36 I want to put in there, but it's not free right now, so. Got the original flywheel somewhere. And I think it might be in here. Yeah, it's on this engine. So I gotta take the flywheel off this engine if I want to use it on that 36. Right down there. But that 10 right there is gonna go on the back of it, the doghouse thing right there. Squirrel cage, whatever you want to call it. That's gonna go on my 68. Got that 12-volt generator on it. Be a good parts engine right there if it ain't freed up. You'll see what I can do with it. But just giving you a little update. I'll have another video in just a few, just letting you know what's going on. Get right back with you. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see.